Obamacare. Has anybody heard of Obamacare? It was terrible. That's the way I feel too. It was terrible and very, very expensive. Hurt a lot of people. Premiums were too high. Deductibles were a disaster. Patients had no choice. You couldn't keep your doctor. But by far the worst part of Obamacare was this thing called the individual mandate. As part of our largest ever tax cut in the history of the United States, we put in a provision to kill this worst provision of Obamacare, the individual mandate. It was a disaster, and it was really the essence of Obamacare. It made you pay a tremendous amount of money in order to not have to pay for health insurance. Think of that. You had to pay a fortune in order not to have health insurance. It was really terrible and so unfair to so many, destroyed families. We were able to terminate the individual mandate, but kept the provision protecting patients with pre-existing conditions. It would not have been, that particular law would never have been signed if it were otherwise. Obamacare is no longer Obamacare. As we worked on it and managed it very well, we stabilized it and got premiums down very substantially. That was Alex and that was Seema, and you did a fantastic job. But it's still unacceptable to me because it's too expensive and doesn't really do the job as well as we could have. So what we have now is a much better plan. It is no longer Obamacare because we've gotten rid of the worst part of it, the individual mandate, and made it much less expensive. A lot of that was through good management. We manage it properly. We have tremendous people working on it.